In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monica AI Copilot for Google Chrome step by step so you can install it properly and get it running in your browser in just a few minutes. Monica AI is a powerful Chrome extension that brings AI tools directly into your workflow, making it easier to write, summarize, chat, and automate tasks right from your browser. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Since Monica AI works as a Chrome extension, everything starts inside the Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome settings menu, where you can access more tools and browser options. From there, hover over extensions. You'll see a small submenu appear, and this is where Chrome keeps extension-related options. In that submenu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store, which is the safest place to install browser extensions like Monica AI. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar and type Monica. After the results load, look for Monica, all-in-one AI Assist, and Smartest AI Agent. Make sure you select the correct extension because there may be similar looking tools in the search results. Clicking the right one takes you to the extension's main page where you can review the details and install it. Next, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show you a confirmation prompt asking for permission to add the extension to your browser. Click Add Extension to continue. Once you approve that, Chrome will automatically install Monica AI for you. This usually only takes a few seconds, and when it's finished, you'll know the extension has been added successfully. Now, look at the top right corner of Chrome again and click the puzzle piece icon. This icon opens your installed extensions list. Find Monica in the list and click on it. That will launch the Monica AI extension and open its interface. At this point, Monica may ask you to log in, which is completely normal. Sign in with the account you want to use so you can unlock the AI features and start using the tool properly. Once you're logged in, Monica AI is ready to use inside Google Chrome. You can pin it to your toolbar if you want easier access, and from there, you can open it whenever you need help with writing, research, summaries, or browser-based AI support. If you want to make the most of it, spend a few minutes exploring the dashboard and the available tools so you can understand what it can do for your workflow. And that's it. You've now installed and opened Monica AI Copilot for Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful AI and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.